And our bite of the week comes from the cousin of the late Melissa Silvera. He was honoring her legacy during a protest at Emancipation Park this week. Here's our bite of the week.
Bite of the week brought to
I don't think words can really describe. So really, I'm heartened by everyone who has come, not to show solidarity just for Melissa, but for injustice to women on a whole. So that is really just a message. Everybody to come to remember that women are very, very vital to us. There are our mothers, our grandmothers, our aunties, our sisters, our nieces. They deserve to live. They deserve to live in peace. No matter what happens, we're all human beings. And the right to life is the primary right. And that's really, as family, what we want everybody to just recognize. Melissa was our family. She was a person. And just the legacy of her being a person. That's really it.
Bite of the week. May her soul rest in peace. And the Primetime News Package continues with sports right after this break.